Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to use the Jambwaecnecouni.com website to learn in Nigeria to prepare for your JAMB, WAEC and your university exams. So quickly head on to any browser that you are using. This is Chrome. So I'm going to type in www.jambwaecnecouni.com. So I wrote it in capital letter, but you can actually type it in small letter. So once you type in this address, www.jambwaecnecouni.com, press the enter key. So the website will be displayed here. So this is the address, www.jambwaecnecouni.com. So this is the website where Nigerian students are now using to learn a whole lot of things, because once you type in this address and the website opens like this, you're going to be able to scroll down and see all the subjects that you're learning in school: commerce, English, CRS, economics, Python. Python is a programming language, so you learn a whole lot of things on this website. You can also see Uni Abuja past questions and other university past questions. You can see the post-UTME past questions as well. So once you open the website and you come to the right hand side here, you see all the subjects that you need that has been taught here. You see chemistry, CHMs 171. This is university courses 100 level, so 200 level. You see a whole lot things concerning law, people, medicine, Corel Draw, MX Word, everything you need to learn. Mathematical method, unit operations in chemical engineering, computer science, how to develop website. So you learn a whole lot of things on this website, Jambwaecnecouni.com. This website is specifically made for Nigerians in mind and Africans in mind, because it treats mostly what they are having in their universities and in their secondary schools. Then apart from these subjects that we are teaching, another very important aspect of this website is the ability for you to get your assignments, insights on how to do your assignments from this website. You can see this. Once you open the website like this, you see where they wrote submit assignment. Once you click on this submit assignment, you'll be shown a form where you can fill in your details so that we can be able to send the assignment to the email that you supply to us. So if you put in your first name and your last name, your phone number, so that we can call you in case we need any clarification on the assignment. You put in your email, you put the school that you're sending from, mostly universities, so that we can have background on how to answer them. Then you now put the assignment or the project. This is where you put the assignment or the project, the assignment that you are giving or the project. Then in this more information is where you give us guideline on how to go about answering it, so that we can actually get what you want. If it is 5 pages or 2 pages that you want, you have to put it in here. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, we are going to get this in our email, so we'll start solving it immediately. So the email that you supplied us with, the email you wrote in here, is the email that we'll send the answers to once we are done. So we send the solution that will deem fit for your question, but we are not giving you assurance that that is the correct answer. So it's left for you as a student to study it and still make your input before you can submit to your lecturer. And so that is what we are doing. Then this other place, donate, you can click on it if you want to donate to our cause to help us in providing this solution. You can see the account name, Tclassified.com. You can see the account number and the bank. So you can simply do transfer to our account, no matter how little. You can send us 100 naira, 200 naira. We appreciate it. Then you can also click on about us to read more about us and what we do in Jambwaecnecouni.com. So the homepage is what you see once you click on www.jambwaecneco. This is the about us. This tells you what we do here in Jambwaecnecouni.com. So once you click on Jambwaecnecouni.com, you get the homepage. So the homepage is what you normally see. So this homepage is a combination of the lesson school. You can see here we wrote it our online school, where you see all the subjects that we teach here. as well as a blog. So this blog tells you more about what is happening in Nigerian universities, what is happening in Nigeria as a whole, what is happening in the world. So it's more like a blog that gives you gist about what is happening in the country. So you can always hook it up and learn things about what is happening. As a student, you need to be informed. So if you want to follow us so that you'll be getting this any update that we do on this our blog or on our lectures, you can click this follow us on Facebook or on Twitter, on YouTube, so that you can be getting instant message whenever we update. That is how you get our information very often and easy. Then if you want to share, you can also share on Facebook or on Twitter or on LinkedIn, so that your friends can see our content and like them. So that is how you can use this website. You can click on this register if you want to register and become part of us in Jambwaecnecouni, so that you can be a former student that will know about or can easily assist you. So if you click on this online school, you're going to see what you're already seeing here. So it's the same thing as what you're already seeing here, which is which are the subjects, both in chemical engineering, in university courses, computer science courses, law, every course. We are working on all of them. We are constantly updating this to help you, so that when you write your JAMB after studying with this material, you can easily pass. So if you're preparing for JAMB, if you're preparing for WAEC, if you're preparing for NECO, this is the best website for you to get hooked up to, so that you can get it's purely curriculum based. All the course content that we are delivering here is actually curriculum based. So let's say you went to Jambwaecnecouni.com and you want to study, say, commerce. So if you come here, you click on this commerce. So when you click on this commerce, now you are going to see lessons that are prepared according to. So this will open. So when this open, you see this is introduction to commerce, this is scope of commerce, this is function of commerce. So this is actually according to course outline for commerce. So let's say you click this first one, introduction to commerce, which is actually what is here as well. So if you click on it, you will start having lectures. You can see this is as if you're inside the class.
Yes, welcome. Today we're going to be doing commerce.
Get down your notes
We want to know the definition of commerce.
So you can see it's purely as if you're in a class. So if you have any questions after this, you can click this to open in YouTube, so that you can actually drop the question on the comment section. So that is how you can take lectures. You can also click on this curriculum. If you want to pick lecture, actually you can click on this curriculum, so that you can see the courses one by one. So if you now click on this introduction to commerce from this curriculum side, you should be able to see the notes. So this is the lecture here, and this is the notes that you can take down. Commerce can be defined as, all these notes is exactly the same thing as what you would have had if you had. So that is this, that is that. Then this is also where the courses are very well written according to your timetable. Introduction to commerce, scope, classification, just the way you would have it in JAMB. So that is what we are giving you here in Tclassified.com or in www.Jambwaecnecouni website. So that is for commerce. That is the same thing that is done for maths, Python, commerce, CRA, geography, and every other course that we are doing. So this is the best place for you to learn a whole lot of things. And like I told you before, if you have assignments, you can just click on this submit assignment button. Whether you're in the university or you're in secondary school, your children wants to solve assignment, your brother wants to solve, just head on to www.Jambwaecnecouni.com, click on submit assignment, fill in your names, your phone number, your email, and submit. So that once we solve it, as we have our team here that are constantly working on all this, so they will send it to your email. We don't actually charge you money if the work is not much, but we may be charging you if the work is really much. So we actually depend on the donation that you make to us. But if you're giving us something like an elaborate project that we need to work on, we might be able to charge you to help us get things done more quickly for you. So, but we depend largely on your donation. Your donation will help us to make lecture videos that we are going to be issuing out so that people can learn. So this is Tclass. This is the account name, this is the account number, and this is the bank. So you do transfer to any or pay into this our account. Once we get it, we will try our best to acknowledge you, and we'll always be prompt whenever you send stuff for us to help us do. So when you click on about us, you can read more about our company and about our platform, Jambwaecnecouni.com. So this is a very important website for all students in Nigeria, or everybody that cares about learning. This is the best website for you to get to and learn a whole lot of things. It is laid out very simply. You have a blog that tells you things about university, about schooling, and about the country and the world in general. Then on the right hand side you have the courses. So any course that you want to learn, just go and click on the course. Once you click on the course, you should be able to see things concerning that very course. So I just clicked on geography. You can see this is definition of geography. Government, basic concepts in government, forms of government continue, arms of government, the executive. This is actually how it is laid down in your Jambwaecneco curriculum. So once you study with this, you are supposed to be able to pass, and constantly we are reviewing this and updating it. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen. If you have any question concerning this and other videos that we are dropping for you, please put it on the comment section. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. God bless you.